Welcome back to the channel. Today I am putting together my third trail camera. These are cellular trail cameras, and just wanted to show you guys what I use on my place here, and also while I'm out scouting for wild hogs on other people's properties. So I like these stealth fusion cameras. I have tried others. Now I'm talking about cellular. Like Tacticam, I have tried a Tacticam, and it's actually a really nice camera, but I choose to stay with stealth. They just seem to please me more when it comes to cost of the camera and cost of my cellular plan. But this here is a package set up for extended battery. You got a SD card that goes with the camera. Now this is a this one here is new to me. I usually have just the Stealth Cam Fusions X. This is a Fusion X-Pro with the dual SIMs card. So kind of excited to see how that works. And the reason why I went with that one is to see what it does, but two, also because some places where I trap, AT&T may be a stronger signal versus Verizon. Mostly in my area, Verizon takes care of everything, and AT&T, but I prefer Verizon over AT&T. So anyways, I got a camera, an SD card, and then I've been using these batteries for instead of actually putting batteries in the camera, bugs are getting me, instead of actually putting batteries in the camera and burning them up or using rechargeable, I use these small 12-volt batteries, and I can just recharge these. And these usually, depending on how my settings are, how much activity, how cold it may be, I guess sometimes that affects it, I can pretty much get a full year out of them. But when I'm really on something big, or hunting wise, or if I've got a bunch of pigs that I'm really doing some intel on, I can still get 6 to 9 months out of these. And this one here is an expert power. It's 7 amp hours, and it's supposed to last 20 hours taking pictures with the 7 amp. So here's a picture of it. Just get it off Amazon. Nothing special. I've had some people contact me, want me to showcase their batteries, but I haven't had an opportunity to work with them. Then the box, the Plano box, which this one here is this Plano box is a model 1312-50. And then this is a chew resistant cord that I can use to connect, and it's like 7-8 feet long. That way I can keep it, connected. But it comes with a waterproof kit. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this together and show you why I like using this particular setup. Now this came from Herd 360. So the power cord and the box came from Herd 360. He sells a wide variety of quick disconnects for your cellular cameras, not just for Stealth Cam, but for a whole lot of makes and models out there. It's already pre-packaged together, so I just decided to buy it all from him at one time, and it helps him. He's a small outfit. So this is the quick disconnect that goes inside the box, and I'll put it in this range right here. This is the chew resistant cord, and it will be on the exterior of the box. Now the difference between this particular cord and the last one I have, this will stick out right here, and you can pull as much as you want out and then put the rest of it back in. But I wanted to try this new one here just to see if it was any better. This was a little bit different connection. Don't necessarily know if I'm going to like all that cord being stuck out from animals trying to pull on it, stuff of that nature. But I'm going to get my drill and get this thing put in here. So before you start popping holes in here, make sure you see the height distance here. And I'm going to put it on this side here to where all this is not hard to get into. So I'm going to get an area about roughly right there. Pop a hole. Take that battery out just in case. You just never know. So I'll make a little pilot hole. Should be roughly right there. And this isn't an exact science, just put it where you want it. And you see we're Milwaukee fans. And now I need to measure up this diameter with a bit. It's going to be pretty close right there. It's a big diameter. You may have to. I don't know if this drill bit's big enough. Anyways, we're going to go on. Probably could have went down just a hair, but I think we'll be fine. You don't want to make it too big, but you want to make it big enough, because there is a plastic O-ring right there. I just want to make sure I can get it in. So it's not big enough diameter, so I've got to find a bigger drill bit. Alright, so I didn't have enough big enough bit, but what I did get to was a 5/8, and then I had to do a little whittling to get it to go in. It's a tight fit, but I'm gonna go in here and put this in. Probably just screw it in. It still needs more, but I'm just gonna on this wrong size. Oh bless. Stand by. Alright, so this inside is a 17. So I'm gonna have a really good watertight fit and just get this all the way up. I don't want to squish the O-ring too much. I want to make sure it's on there. Okay. The exterior is an 18. Alright, starting to turn that, so give me 1 second here. Just want to make sure this is, oh bless. Good and tight. Alright. Yeah, good. Alright. So, this will be on the inside. Put your battery in there. And what I really like about this, I'm going to pull this together. This is in here. Let's see here. I haven't even opened this yet. I'm not doing an unboxing. I'm sure someone else out there will do it. Put all this. Now I will say about the strap, I prefer Tacticam straps over this one, but that's what I'm going to be using. This is what what I like. So I can literally put my camera in here and store it away just like that. If you take your stuff down for hunting season, my stuff stays out year round. It's very convenient. I like that. Now I've got a big silicone moisture thing that I'm gonna put in here also. Now it's just a silicone gel pack. I didn't buy these. It's just things that when we buy things they come in. But just drop that in there. Whether it helps or not, it's a peace of mind. But yeah, this will already be wrapped around the camera and everything. But it fits in there perfect. That's what I like about it. Now this here has a little thing like that, which when you're using it, this will just be hanging and dangling. I like this. So it just packs in there real good. Camera, take your antenna off, unplug your battery, that way you don't get any kind of charge. Strap, perfect. Let's get the camera activated. Alright, let's get all this out as if you were going to set it up to deploy in the woods. Connect there. Connect there. Sorry about that. Devil dog is out here. Alright, so again, this is really long, so if you have it set up high or anything, I think I'm gonna say I like the other one better, but for being off the ground and everything, the other reason why I like the other one better is because I only pulled out as much as I need. This one here, either I'm gonna have to wrap it or something. But I wanted to try it. I wanted to give it an opportunity. Alright. So it goes like that. Screw this on. Obviously this is gonna have a better right there. Alright. So the battery is hot. Need to get the camera. Please download the app before I do this. Obviously I don't want to show you a lot about anything else by pulling that out. And remove the battery tray, etc., etc. Get my Sims card. Now obviously I got a 32 gig. You can set the camera up to where it overwrites it, but I went ahead and just got one anyways. Hopefully I'm putting that in correctly. Good to go. Get this antenna put on. Feels smaller than my other one actually. I don't know if it is or not. Alright, antenna is on. That's where your jack goes in. So I just go to my app right there. So we're going to add a camera, and it's our, man, that was quick. I barely even pointed it there. Says it may take several minutes. I'll go ahead and plug this up in case it needs to be plugged up. There we go. Alright, insert battery, SD card, power on camera. Camera is powering up. Go ahead and hit next. So I'm waiting for all my lights to turn good, then I'll have this thing to where I'll continue. Alright, we're good to go. So we'll hit next on here. Whoops, next, and that is where I'm at right now. Okay, align direction by dragging the compass. So I'll be billed $11 a month unlimited for this camera here. See, billed. That's one thing I like about this. The more cameras you put on it, the cheaper it gets. But even the first one is nowhere near what other cameras are. Agree to the terms. Plan is updated. Obviously it hasn't taken anything, but so I'll rename it and everything wherever I put it. I'm excited. That one is done. We'll disconnect everything so I can carry it with me where I'm going to place it in the woods. That's a tight fit. The little gasket there to keep all the bugs out. And just like that, we're done. Shove that up there. Wrap my cord all up. Now this is faster than tearing down my other one. I ain't gonna lie to you about that. Keep that in there. Put my camera in. Put my antenna in. We'll disconnect. That way nothing shorts out. I don't know if it would or not. And look, it is compact. Ready to go. Really enjoy this thing. That's it. Alright. That's all it is to doing that. And I don't know how long this video is. I'm not really paying attention. I think the longest time it took me was finding the correct tools and a drill bit. But yeah, this is my third one, and this plan seemed to be a few more dollars than I may have gone up on my my unlimited, because it's my third camera. I think my second camera was only $8 extra a month, but this one was $11 extra a month. Like I said, this is Herd 360. They have all these pre-made accessories, cameras, instructions. I just wanted to show you what I like. It works good for me because where I place these hog traps, it's nasty. Sometimes the hogs will get up and rub up around them. Sometimes coons will get up and mess around. Anyways, all I'm trying to say is it protects my battery. It stays there a long time. I don't have to go out there, I don't know, in a week, 2 weeks, even if you're using lithium batteries, you know, in 3 months, depending on how many pictures or videos you're taking. I love it. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. Y'all do me a favor, hit that subscribe, leave us a comment. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them as much as possible. But most of all, come be a part of our family, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.